Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. With this look, I wanted to show you guys that you guys can use any color you guys like for a fun pop of color, and it's an easy look for when you're on the go and you really don't have much time. Just apply your bronzer on your eye and any color you like on your bottom lash with a nice bold lip, and you're ready to go. So if you guys want to see how I achieve that, please keep on watching, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. I already carved and primed my lid with my concealer in this rounded concealer brush. I really like how the concealer brush is applying for me now rather than the flat brush I was using at the beginning. And I'm also blending out the creases that I had in my crease with the beauty sponge. And now I am going to go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer on my lid just for a little contour on the eyes. I'm going in with the big jumbo blending brush, and I'm just going to pat that on my crease and above my crease and blend it out. And as for the lid, I'm just going to use the same brush to pat it on the lid, and it's going to look a lot lighter on the lid, of course, than on our crease. And if you guys can see my skin, I am completely breaking out. Well, right here it looked more like a rash, but as the days went by, I've been having just breakouts because I am doing a detox. So my skin is playing me today. So now I'm taking my eyeliner before my mascara and falsies, and I'm just going to apply a very thin line to my lash line just so my falsies can have a base. Now I'm going with my Lancome Monsieur Big mascara and applying it on my lashes before I do the falsies. And I really like this mascara, how it makes my big eyelashes more voluminous and thicker. If you're someone like me and have long eyelashes, this look will look great just like that. Or if you just don't like falsies, it will look great like that. But you know me, I'm gonna apply some for the sake of the video. So I already did my whole face, and now I am going with my Morphe X James Charles palette, and I am going to use the yellow shade right here. I believe it's called B. So I'm taking a flat defining brush, and I am taking that yellow shade, and I'm just going to pat it really close to my waterline and just put it all over my lower lash until I get the pigmentation desired. And then I'm going to take a smaller pencil brush and blend it out. So here I am taking that pencil brush and blending outwards, and I'm really bringing this yellow shade all the way down. So I already finished, and I'm just removing any excess that may have fallen out since we were using a bright color. And now I'm going in with this shade right here and applying it on my inner corner and my brow bone. I personally like using this little flat shader brush for when I apply my inner corner highlight or do my brow bone. So this step is completely unnecessary, but since I remembered I had a yellow liner, I am going to go ahead and use this, and I believe it's called Color Block by the Sephora brand, and I'm just doing a very small wing just to have a little color up on my lid. So now I'm going back in with the same mascara, and I'm just applying that to my lower lashes. So now I am taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and I am applying it on my waterline. I like this pencil because it's multi-purpose. You can use it as an eyeliner or as an eyeshadow base. Here I am taking my Rose LA Girl lip liner, and I'm just outlining my lips. For lipstick, I am taking the ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Good Karma, and I am just applying that all over my lips. Now for the finishing touches, I am applying my e.l.f. brow gel on my eyebrows, and we are all done. So we reached the end, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Starting as of this week, there will be videos going up live every Monday and Wednesday, so keep an eye out for that, okay? Bye, guys.